Boston leads by 1, but I predict LeBron will break their hearts. Shit. This looks like this is gonna be like that. We're in game 7. Last 4 minutes and 41 seconds. Cleveland's leading 76-73.
To James, and they do exactly that, putting Tatum on LeBron. Now
target shooting! Target shooting!
Dan trying to poke it away. James trying to muscle him in, turns, shoots, and foul. That's 5 on Tatum.
Veteran move! Rookie versus veteran.
Coming up on 2 minutes remaining.
Last!
Hanging on to a 4-point lead. Shot clock at 3. James to drive and foul. The shot will not count. James. George Hill releases down the other end. Drive way up.
For the win!
A 7-point count.
Assist by LeBron.
Team remaining. Timeout Boston.
Excellent recognition by LeBron. Seeing George Hill running. Poor Boston defense. I mean, this is game 7, guys. A foul would have been better.
Brown back in the game. Steps back, fires a 3. Shot short. Rebound tipped and taken by James.
Allah! Allah!
James.
Oi! Foul counted!
Mama. There goes and again, this crowd absolutely stunned.
That was a bad shot by Jaylen Brown again. Like,
you can do anything with that. Look at that strength.
You gotta give credit. James 34 points, 14 rebounds, 9 assists, a 10.
64 seconds down by 10. And the garden is so quiet.
Celtics need to push. Smart on the drive, gets inside, lays it.
Oh no!
The rebound.
I love fighting spirit of Smart. Cleveland should get him next year.
Morris fires up a 3. That's no good. Rebound, J.R. Smith. And the Cavaliers and LeBron James will do it again. A foul called with 40.5 seconds remaining.
Wow.
What a turnaround.
Wow.
For Game 7.
Another classic performance, LeBron. I predicted this in the first half.
Good sportsmanship there. Final seconds, tick off. It's over. Cleveland wins Game 7. LeBron James.
It's over. Yeah, LeBron going to the 8th finals. Wow. I mean, I feel that they're gonna win this one because, well, even if they played so bad in the first half, they were really close. And I guess good sportsmanship. And then for Tatum, yeah, good game, but still a rookie. But there'll probably be more battles. I mean, Boston's gonna be like a future dynasty if the trend continues, if the growth continues for the rookies, and the injury bug would not haunt them like this year. Good season by Boston. Nobody expected them to reach Game 7 of the Eastern Conference Finals, but they're here. They almost won it, but it was... LeBron seems to have a team of destiny this year. I mean, he carried his team. I mean, when LeBron decides that he wants to win, it's like his team wins. I mean, LeBron, really, really great game. Awesome, man. Awesome. One of the best series for LeBron. I mean, this is the weakest team that he has, and he's now in his 8th consecutive finals.
Would you concur, or what's your interpretation?
And so, guys, I predicted it. Right in the 3rd quarter, I think. Show you the video, and boy, I was right. Cavs, Game 7. Congratulations, and I'm looking forward to tomorrow's Game 7 of Houston and Golden State, plus the NBA Finals. So thank you for watching this video, guys. And yeah, keep on watching my reactions.